controlled chaos. A glimpse into the industrial behemoth. Imagine a bustling factory floor. Machines hum and clang, sparks fly, workers dart between stations, their faces focused. This is the heart of industry, a place of constant motion and relentless pressure. Every second counts. Every decision can make or break a project. The air crackles with energy, a mixture of stress and exhilaration. In this complex ballet of manufacturing, information is power, but what happens when that information is scattered? What happens when teams work in silos, unaware of the challenges and successes of others? The answer is simple: inefficiency, delays, and missed opportunities. This is where the Obeya Room comes in, a beacon of order in the whirlwind of industry. It's a place where barriers crumble and collaboration reigns supreme. The Obeya Room isn't just a room, it's a revolution in the making. It's a testament to the power of teamwork and a shining example of how a simple concept can transform the way we work. From Toyota's production lines, the genesis of the Obeya Room. The story of the Obeya Room begins, as many great innovations do, in the land of the rising sun. In the 1990s, Toyota, a company renowned for its efficiency and lean manufacturing principles, faced a challenge. They needed a way to streamline communication, improve project visibility, and accelerate decision-making. Their solution, the Obeya Room. Obeya, meaning big room in Japanese, was initially a physical space where engineers and managers gathered to discuss and solve critical problems. It was a place where hierarchies were left at the door and everyone had a voice. The focus was on collaboration, not competition. The Obeya Room quickly proved its worth. Projects were completed faster, problems were identified and solved more efficiently. Communication improved dramatically. It wasn't long before other industries sat up and took notice. The concept of the Obeya Room, born on the factory floors of Toyota, was about to take the world by storm. Decoding the Obeya Room, a hub for collaborative innovation. So, what exactly is an Obeya Room? Put simply, it's a dedicated space designed to foster collaboration, transparency, and rapid decision-making. It's a visual command center where teams can come together, share information, track progress, and solve problems in real time. Imagine a war room, but instead of battle plans, you have project timelines, performance metrics, and brainstorming sessions. The walls are adorned with whiteboards, charts, and graphs, providing a panoramic view of the project at hand. But the Obeya Room is more than just a physical space. It's a philosophy, a way of working. It's about breaking down silos, fostering open communication, and empowering teams to make decisions quickly and effectively. It's about creating a culture of shared responsibility and collective ownership. Section 4, the why behind the walls, unlocking the potential of Obeya. In today's fast-paced business environment, organizations are constantly seeking ways to improve efficiency, reduce lead times, and stay ahead of the competition. The Obeya Room, with its focus on collaboration and visual management, offers a powerful solution. One of the key benefits of the Obeya Room is its ability to centralize information. By bringing all stakeholders together in one location, with all relevant data readily available, the Obeya Room eliminates communication bottlenecks and ensures that everyone is on the same page. This transparency is crucial for making informed decisions and identifying potential roadblocks early on. Moreover, the Obeya Room fosters a culture of accountability. With progress displayed for all to see, teams are more likely to stay on track and meet their deadlines. The collaborative nature of the Obeya Room also means that problems are identified and addressed quickly, preventing costly delays and rework. In essence, the Obeya Room acts as a catalyst for continuous improvement, driving efficiency, innovation, and ultimately business success. Section 5, Visualizing Success, a peek inside the Obeya Room. Step into an Obeya Room and you'll be greeted by a hive of activity. The walls are alive with information, a testament to the power of visual management. Whiteboards are covered in colorful post-it notes, charts, and diagrams, providing a comprehensive overview of the project's status. Key performance indicators, or KPIs, are prominently displayed, allowing teams to track progress at a glance. Dashboards provide real-time updates on critical metrics, such as production output, defect rates, and customer satisfaction. But the Obeya Room is not all about data and metrics. It's also a space for brainstorming, problem-solving, and team building. Comfortable seating arrangements encourage open dialogue and collaboration. Walls are often adorned with inspirational quotes or images to spark creativity and motivation. The Obeya Room is a dynamic and evolving space, constantly adapting to the needs of the team and the project at hand. Section 6. Building your own war room, a step-by-step guide to Obeya. Ready to unleash the power of Obeya in your organization? Setting up an Obeya room is easier than you might think. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, what do you hope to achieve with your Obeya room? Clearly define your goals and objectives to ensure that the room is designed to meet your specific needs. Next, select a dedicated space that is easily accessible to all team members. The room should be large enough to accommodate your team and all necessary equipment. Then, invest in essential tools such as whiteboards, markers, post-it notes, flip charts, and a projector or large-screen monitor. Comfortable seating and adequate lighting are also crucial. After that, create a set of guidelines for how the Obeya room should be used. This might include rules about meeting etiquette, communication protocols, and maintaining a clean and organized workspace. Finally, schedule regular meetings in the Obeya room to discuss progress, address challenges, and make decisions. Keep meetings focused and productive. By following these steps, you can create an Obeya room that will transform the way your team works, fostering collaboration, improving communication, and driving efficiency.